how much I shoot this bird is how hard I want you to audition for these following shows at CSN Second Stage's Fall 2026 production. Simply classical, an aura style with a happy ending. It's a puppet play about the current political economic state of the world, and it parodies the most famous Greek tragedy about the Athenian court system. What more do I even have to say? The mute canary. Are you tired of seeing those alpha male podcasters? Are you tired of seeing the resurgence of tradwives? Are you tired of seeing this movement where we must adhere to strict gender norms again? Then this play is for you. Handkerchief of Clouds, a tragedy in 15 acts. Okay, we can stop the theatrics. If you're seeing this, you're probably an artist, and you know the amount of hate artists get online for not being perfect. Well, this play literally has the audience an artist to the point of no return. So if you're an artist and you want to show people the weight of their words, definitely audition for this play. But ultimately, if you're a part of the CSN community, student, faculty, young, old, new, old again, and you are tired of constantly hearing from everyone that everything has a reason over and over and over again, should you audition for A Night at Dada, August 31st or September 1st, CSN's North Las Vegas campus, Room H119, from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.? I feel like the answer is obvious.